Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's GMT update for Thursday, 7th of April. Okay, now there's a lot of things, and yesterday we were talking about a fake out, sorry, a head and shoulder potential or a bull flag. Okay, right now what you're doing in on the daily is actually quite positive. You're putting in some sort of a morning star right here. So, what I'm gonna tell you is I'm gonna give you, because it's a confusion right now, but I'm not gonna be trading in confusion anyway. There are two, three things to talk about. Okay, two to three things that I want to actually mention in this update. Number one, it's gonna be um, Bitcoin. Okay, what's the Bitcoin update? And there's a little bit of an issue with the Bitcoin, and it seems like Bitcoin wants to drop to the downside. GMT looks like it's making a double bottom, the second thing that I want to talk about, and from here you start to push to the upside. On the daily as well, you're looking very good with the morning star. Okay, that's the third thing. You have a morning star. The fourth thing is the fact that you have a huge head and shoulder, which is a confirmed one because you broke out of it, went back to the neckline, and you're looking to potentially go to this technical target, which you never actually met. Now, what do you do in this confusion? Are you going to actually be bearish now, or are you going to be bullish now? Well, let's say you want to buy the coin, which I'm not going to buy, which I'm not going to buy, of course, unless you're not breaking the neckline and Bitcoin doesn't look good. First of all, today you have a hanging man, and if you don't know what a hanging man really is, it's a bearish candlestick potential, but it's not confirmed. So what I'm going to do is write in hanging man candlestick right over there, and I want to show you the hanging man right over here, and you can see when you have a green candle and next to it you have a hanging man candle that looks like a hammer, but on an upside direction. That's really negative. Okay, something like this is a hanging man as well. We can see that that's the hanging man. So what you see here, this candlestick is bearish hanging man, this one, it's a hanging man. So in the next 14 hours, if you try to close near the 2.3, it's bearish. You might see next candle going to the downside. Now that you may be investing and maybe you're failing to sell and when you should sell, then let's sell when you come and lose 2.06308 if you think that this is a bull flag. If you think that it's a bull flag like this at the moment, which does look like a bull flag, and it does look like you broke out of it, then if you start to come down and you break it, then put a stop loss and maybe buy back at the 1.4. Do you get my point here? And if it is really a bull flag and you get lucky somehow, you ride it all the way up to the $7. So that's one way to complete your confusion. But to me, man, I'm gonna say the best traders trade on confirmations. So my friendly advice would be trade on a confirmation. You can see how you broke down and clearly you rejected the neckline. It's not good. It's not good. You're having a hanging man. By the end of the day, it's a bearish candlestick, which means more reversal to the downside. So be careful, because this can even turn out to be a bear flag as well. Go down, make a bear flag, boom, make a bear flag, continue to all the way to the downside. What if it's a bear flag? What if it is a bear flag? Then what are you gonna do? Okay, you're going up like this, making a false pullback, and from where you came from top here to the bottom, that's how much you're gonna actually continue to fall. So if you start to break out of the bear flag, look where it takes you, by the way, 1.4730, and that's where you have the 20 EMA on the daily. See that, almost the 20 EMA right over here. And I'm gonna be very, very careful. And let me take the fib retracement as well. This was your last swing low here to the swing high as well. So yeah, that's nearly the zero point 0.5 mark right over here. Okay, so it seems like you're gonna have that next big level of support right over there. And that's it for today's update. If you guys want to learn more about trading, do check my trading course out. If you want to pay 29 bucks with crypto, you can do so. Join the Discord and message me on the Discord, and I'm gonna give you the promo code to learn even way more about the candlestick and the chart reading that I'm doing. And that's it for this update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.